how to remove background noise from a video with AI Clean Audio. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove background noise from video. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you could just open up a Avid in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you have to upload your video. Click an upload button on this project interface. Then from your device, upload a video. Now once you have uploaded your video, there is this button that says Magic Tools. You have to click on this Magic Tools. And here it says Clean Audio. All you have to do is click on it. And you have to wait until the video is completely uploaded. Then it will clean your background noise from your video. Now it says cleaning audio. Now you have to wait for a while, and once the process is complete, the background noise will be removed from your video. After that, you could export the video. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.